up on the docks at Matlacha, with my clothes thrown all around me and a hammer in my head. It's a wonder that I didn't wake up dead. I have way too much tequila. I have way too much tequila, and I didn't get too far when I shed my clothes and did that crazy breakdance on the bar. I wish I could remember, but I'm really glad I don't. But my friends tell me that it was quite a sight. I had way too much tequila last night. Well, then I had to do the Sunday show down at the Sandy Perry. And my head felt like a freight train, but I had to grin and bear it. I was almost feeling human till I sang 10 rounds, and then Rick said, "Buy that boy a shot." Oh Lordy, here we go again. I had way too much tequila. It's a wonder I ain't dead. But at least that would stop the shaking and the pounding in my head. It's a painful morning after, but we sure had lots of fun. But now the sun's too loud and your voice is way too bright. I had way too much tequila last night. Yeah, I had way too much tequila. It's like lightning in my veins. It does bad things to my judgment. It does bad things to my brain. I wish I could remember, but I'm kinda glad I don't. You know, I wonder if I'll ever see the light. I have way too much tequila. Well, they say that stuff will kill you, and right now I believe that it just might. I have way too much tequila